Hello, John, here again at the WD. Yeah, some months ago we did videos about helping with firewood, and I made this was part of that series of videos, this little box, but I've modified it a little bit to kind of help with the process. We just added this little support there, and since that time I also got this little battery skill saw, which I really love this thing. Um, So it's kind of a station at this point. Here, I'll demonstrate quickly, but it's pretty obvious. Okay, and so you're there, and then you're here. Okay, then you're here. Okay, then you tie it up and make a bundle, and there you go.